Hello students, today I will teach you mathematics of class 7, chapter 1, integer, basic knowledge. What is integer? All positive and negative numbers with 0 known as integers. For example, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Additive inverse. A number is said to be additive inverse of the given number if sum of both is 0. For example, -5 is a number. Additive inverse of -5 is +5. Note: additive inverse of any integer a is -a and -a is +a. Exercise 1.1. First question. Following line shows the temperature in degree Celsius at the different places on the particular day. See the question number 1 in exercise 1.1. Given a number line in which situated some places and integers. First question, observe this number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. First, Lahul Spiti. The temperature of Lahul Spiti is -8 degrees Celsius and the temperature of Srinagar is -2 degrees Celsius and the temperature of Shimla is 5 degrees Celsius and the temperature of Ooty is 14 degrees Celsius and the temperature of Bengaluru is 22 degrees Celsius. Second question, what is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest place among the above? We write all the temperatures of the places. The hottest place is Lahul Spiti and the hottest place is Bengaluru and the coldest place is Lahul Spiti. So difference, the temperature of hottest place is 22 degrees Celsius and temperature of coldest place is -8 degrees Celsius. Difference between them equal to -22 minus -8 equal to 22 plus 8 equal to 30 degrees Celsius. Second, other question, what is the temperature difference between the Lahul Spiti and Srinagar? The temperature of Lahul Spiti is -8 degrees Celsius and the temperature of Srinagar is -2 degrees Celsius. Difference between them equal to -2 minus -8 equal to -2 plus 8 equal to 6 degrees Celsius. Question. Another question, can we say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature of Shimla? Yes. Is also less than the temperature of Srinagar? No. Question number 2. In a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answer and negative marks are given for incorrect answer. If Jack's score in 5 successive rounds are 25, -5, -10, 15 and 10, what was his total at the end? Total marks of the Jack at the end equal to sum of all marks. In first round he get 25 marks, in second round he get -5 marks and third round he get -10 marks and fourth round he get 15 marks and fifth round he get 10 marks. When we add all these marks we get 35. Next question, question number 3. At Srinagar, temperature was -5 degrees Celsius on Monday and then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? On Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. What was the temperature on this day? First, we have to know the temperature of Monday, -5 degrees Celsius, and on Tuesday 2 degrees Celsius temperature dropped. Then the temperature of on Tuesday equal to -5 -2 equal to -7 degrees Celsius and the temperature of Wednesday it roses 4 degrees Celsius. Then the temperature of Wednesday equal to -7 plus 4 equal to -3 degrees Celsius. Question number 4. A plane is flying at the height of 5,000 meters above the sea level. At a particular point, It is exactly above a submarine floating 1200 meters below the sea level. What was the vertical distance between them? Please see the diagram. At the diagram, we take a point which is sea level, and we take a point which is sea level. We take a point which is sea level. Above the sea level 5000 meter and below the sea level 1200 meter. The distance between submarine and plane is 5000 plus 1200 equal to 6200 meter. Question number 5. Mohan deposits 2000 in his bank account and withdraw 1642 from it the next day. If withdrawal of amount from the account is represented by negative integer, then how will you represent the amount deposited? If we deposit any amount, then this is shown by positive integers. Means we represent the deposited money by positive sign or positive integer. Balance in Mohan's account after the withdrawal 2000 minus 1642. If we subtract, then we get 358 rupees. Another question. Rita goes 20 km towards east from a point A to the point B. From B, she moves 30 km towards west along the same road. Means Rita एक पॉइंट ए से 20 km ईस्ट की तरफ जाती है और पॉइंट बी पर पहुंच जाती है, तो वहाँ से 30 km वेस्ट की तरफ चलती है उसी सेम रोड से, मतलब कि ए से होते हुए जाएगी और 30 km वेस्ट की तरफ जाएगी. देन वी विल रिप्रेजेंट टूवर्ड्स वेस्ट बाई नेगेटिव इंटीजर. इन book this is given that the number of the integer of east side is positive integer, then the number of west side is negative integer. Integer of final position is minus 10 degrees Celsius. Question number 7. In a magic square, each row, column and diagonal have the same sum. Check which of the following magic square. Means we have a square, and in square we have 3 rows, 3 columns and 2 diagonals. When the sum of all row, all column and all diagonal is same, then we say that this is magic square. Then we find the sum of first column. The sum of first column is 0. Sum of second column is 0. Sum of third column is 0. Sum of first diagonal is 0. Sum of second diagonal is minus 6. Means it is not a magic square. Question number 2. We have a magic square. We have to check all the diagonals, all the columns and all the rows. When we get same answer, then we say this is magic square. It will be done by you at homework. Question number 8. First question. We have to verify a minus b equal to a plus b for the following values of a and b. First, a equal to 21, b equal to 18. We have left hand side a minus b means 21 minus 18 equal to 21 plus 18 equal to 39. We have right hand side a plus b. The value of a equal to 21 plus the value of b equal to 18. When we add a and b, we get 39. Means left hand side equal to right hand side. It is verified that this is follow the a minus b equal to a plus b. And the question number 2nd, 3rd and 4th. is given for you for homework. Question number 9. Use the sign of greater, smaller or equal in the box to make the statements true. स्टेटमेंट को ट्रू करने के लिए हमको साइन को लगाना है. तो मीन्स क्वेश्चन नंबर ए, -8 + -4, when we add this we get -12, -8 minus -4, when we add this we get -4. Then which is greater, -4 or -12? Then -4 is greater. Question number B, -3 + 7 - 19, when we solve this we get -15, and 15 - 8 + -9, when we solve it get -2. Then -2 and -15, -2 is greater. C, 13 - 41 + 11, 23 - 41 + 11, 23 - 41 - 11, when we solve it we get 23 - 41 + 11 is greater. Question number D, 39 + -24 - 15, 36 + -52 - -36, when we solve it we get 36 + -42 - -36 is greater. -231 + 79 + 51, -399 + 159 + 81, when we solve it we get -231 + 79 + 51 is greater. Another question, a water tank has a steps inside it. A monkey is sitting on the topmost step, that is the first step. The water level is at the 9th step. मीन्स एक वाटर लेवल है, उसमें टोटल 9th स्टेप है, और एक मंकी है उसमें वो फर्स्ट स्टेप पर बैठा हुआ है. तो कहा जा रहा है कि ही जम्प्स 3 स्टेप डाउन एंड देन जम्प्स बैक 2 स्टेप अप. इन हाउ मेनी जम्प्स विल ही रीच द वाटर लेवल? इन डायग्राम वी टेल यू दैट at the first step he jumps 3 steps and then he up 2 steps, back 2 steps. Then when we see this we get total 11 jumps. In total 11 jumps he go to sea level, water level. Question number 2, after the drinking water he wants to go back. For this he jumps 4 steps up and then jumps back 2 steps down in every move. In how many jumps will he reach back to the top step? See the diagram and we get total jumps 5.